Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I just want to try and see if because vlogging has really been on my mind a lot, because I love to watch vlogs. I really like watching vlogs, and I like to romanticize my life. I really do love it. I really do. I booked an appointment to get my hair taken out at Books. They haven't really replied me. Like, they've set up my appointment, but they haven't really replied me on what I want to do, because I just want to wash my hair. I want to take my hair out, wash it, maybe do a little bit of some extra conditioning and all that, because I plan to make my hair tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow morning. Learn yourself to me already. Gave you what you needed, I guess. Yeah. So I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not fake. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you. So this, I don't think this is the package I'm waiting for. I think this is something else. So I got this from an outfit. See, I like this packaging. Style and Nicholas. I like the packaging. It's like a skirt. Okay, this is gonna be my size. It's like a skirt, and what is these? Ooh. Why am I surprised that I'm not the one that ordered it? What's this? So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys the package. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. 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 Listen, you've been missing since 2016. Squid tell me 150. You know that's my sister. When she speak, I listen. She swears you're my missing. I say we think different. I see. Thank you. My cab is also. Thank you. Alright. Is that all? Huh? Yeah. Thank you. Oh my god.
Der Wohlan so Moschala. Okay, better, nana, getting. It's a case, I reckon my vocal kill it, so hell it's a